Hi everyone, welcome to our KSR College of Engineering YouTube channel. I am Vinoli from the Department of Cybersecurity. Today we are going to learn about the basic concepts of computer architecture and organization. Before going into the concept, we have to know what is meant by computer architecture and computer organization. So I am sharing some differences between the computer architecture and computer organization because it is very important to know these two terms. Here, in computer architecture, the architecture deals with the functional behavior of the computer systems. It means in whenever we had a computer system, what kind of functionalities that are to be done based on the requirements of the user, and deciding those functionalities are said to be a computer architecture. In organization, computer organization deals with the structural relationship. It means decided functionalities of the computer system are related to how it can be done. In simple way, we can say what kind of functionalities has to be done is a computer architecture and how these functionalities have been achieved in the computer organization phase. This is the basic difference in the computer architecture and computer organization. Next, in a computer architecture, architecture describes what the computer does. It seems what the computer does and what type of functionalities it can be done. In organization, it describes how it does it. It seems how these functionalities are achieved. It can be done by the organization. For better understanding this concept, we shall take a scenario of constructing a house. Whenever we want to construct the house, first what we will do, we will decide our house requirement to the engineer. Based on the requirement of the user, the engineer will make a design and architect of the house. It is said to be architecture. What type house is going to be constructed? That is decided by the architecture. Now, the constructor decide to construct the house based on the order of engineer. In order to construct the house, what are the tools are required to construct, how the construction has to be done, that is decided by the constructor. Here, engineer is act as a computer architecture and constructor is act as a computer organization. This is the difference between computer architecture and organization. Next, architecture indicates its hardware. In organization, uh, it indicates the performance of the hardware. Next, in architecture, as a programmer, you can view the architecture as a series of instructions, addressing modes, and register. In organization, the implementation of architecture is called organization. In architecture, for designing a computer, its architecture is fixed first. In order to design a computer, first we have fixed the architecture. In organization, for designing a computer, an organization is designed after its architecture. For example, we will able to say to construct build the house. First, we will go to the engineer. After giving the plan, the constructor decide to build the house. How it can be done? This is the difference. In next, the computer architecture is also called as instruction set architecture, ISA. ISA means it is a computer abstract model that defines how software controls the CPU, and it is an interface between the hardware and software. Organization is frequently called microarchitecture. Microarchitecture is nothing but is the design and structure of the computer CPU and other hardware requirement. At last, computer architecture comprises logical functions such as instruction set, registers, data types, and addressing modes. These are the decision made at the architecture phase. What type of logical operation it has to be do and what kind of instruction sets that it should have registers and data types and addressing moves. These are the decisions made at the architecture phase. In organization, the organization consists of physical units like circuit designs and peripherals and adders. In this, the circuit design to do those operations, how the circuit design should be, and what are the components to achieve this instruction set. The circuit design and the peripheral assets of computer is decided in the organization phase. This is the main difference between computer architecture and computer organization. I hope you have clarity of this concept. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icons for latest updates.